Hi, welcome once more to our HTML class. In the lesson for today, we are going to be looking at backgrounds in HTML backgrounds. And we are going to look at backgrounds once we get to our CSS lessons. For now, in HTML, let's look at backgrounds. The background property has been highly developed in CSS, such that it's always better to do our background by writing CSS codes. But for the purpose of this lesson, we are going to be looking at backgrounds in HTML. It's quite simple. We can have backgrounds made of images. Our backgrounds can either be images or colors. Because we can have different backgrounds for different sections of our web page. That is what we are going to be looking at. So that said, let's start the class. Once more, I'm going to open my HTML tag to tell anybody who views my code that I'm writing HTML code. HTML head, title, of course the title is background, title close. So I'm going to open my H1 tag, like send to the center. Close my H1 tag, close my center tag. Well, one more thing I like to underline it, so I put U, underline, close the underline tag. So, bigger, smaller font H2, into introduction. So background, no need to write HTML, we know we're dealing in HTML. So let me just write something. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use background in HTML. Well, let me just add something with the B arrow. I hope you will like the lesson. Full stop. Now what more can I do is I just make it H3, so it's a little bit big. H3. Here I'm going to close my H3 tag, and I'm going to close. Sorry, yeah, I should have closed the head tag here after title head. Now here I'm going to now close my HTML tag to show I'm done with my code. Save the page as bg.html. See what it's telling my browser. My system is telling me that there's a file named bg.html. If I want to replace it, the answer is yes, I replace it. Good. I go to my page. This is okay. Let me just go once more to the folder. This is bg.html. I'm going to open with my favorite browser, which is Google Chrome. Google Chrome, thanks very much for being faithful. We have seen here background in HTML. Introduction to HTML. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use background in HTML. Well, everything here is underlined. It's certainly not what I wanted, so it means I left one underline code open, and this is it here. I open U here, which stands for underline, and here instead of closing underline, I enter close UL, which is on ordered list. So I'm just going to delete the L, and hopefully everything should be okay. Save my page, go back to Google Chrome, and I refresh. Very good, it's successful. I have here background in HTML. It's underline, introduction to HTML, H2. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use background in HTML. There was a line break here, remember. I hope you like the lesson. Actually, I hope you will. For now, there is no background. You see, it's just a plain text. So now I want to go now and apply background to it. I'm going to come after my head tag where I have my body, so I didn't even open the body tag. It's always good to make your code very clear. You open the head tag, you close it, even though it might be inconsequential if you don't close it. You open the body tag so anybody viewing your code will know where your body starts. Then you can also close your body at the end of your text, though it may be inconsequential. I'm going to save it, and when I refresh my page, you see there is no change. Actually, these modifications I've done by closing the head tag and closing the body tag wouldn't actually change anything on the website, but it just help anybody reading your codes to understand what you are actually doing. So now I want to use a background. After the body tag, I'm going to say, well, as you can see, a body. The background code now, this is SSOT class, say body BG color is equals to red. So I'm not telling you that the background color of this text should be red. It could be any color. I save it. You probably have to choose your favorite color. For me, I'm just using red. Is not my favorite color, but I'm just using red. Now I refresh. That is it. Successful. See now the whole page has turned into red. The background color of this page is now red. Well, and I think that I would like to change the background color, make it green. Still, it's just a matter of choice. I want to say body BG color equals to green. Save it. Go to Google Chrome. Successful. The body BG color is now equal to green. As you learn HTML further, as you learn coding further, you may come across hexadecimal colors, but for now we are not doing that. We are just using our color names rather than the color codes.